Hey, what's going on, everyone? Today is May the 11th, 2022. We are going to talk about Kadena and why you don't want to go all in cryptocurrency. I mean, I think you guys can visually tell already on your screen as to why you may not want to go all in into Kadena today. I'm going to show you all what I think the price is going to do next. You guys can already tell again that I did a price prediction into the market in Kadena. So you guys can go ahead and see that pretty much is not too bullish. Right, so I'm going to go ahead and talk about that real quick. Now, to those who are new, definitely welcome to the channel. You know, I do price predictions. I try to ensure that you and I are in position to win in the market. Everyone else makes it so complex, so complicated, and it doesn't have to be. I'm here to literally show you that it's not. So if you guys want to join me, the doors are open. Hit the like button, and also subscribe here to the channel. I would also recommend that you tap that bell notification as well, because you want to know when things change, right? And you want the algorithm or YouTube to notify you whenever I upload my content to their platform. All right, so go ahead and do that as well. So real quick, April the 15th was the last time I did a video in Kadena telling you all that the price is going to go down. I'm not surprised. It did right here on April the 30th. Got that 28% out the market. If you were to get out today, though, that's 59%. All right, cool. Now check this out. Let's talk. Because first thing I wanted to show you is that we are no longer in a bullish trend in the market in Kadena. Like, we are no longer in a upward momentum fashion in this cryptocurrency. Now, what does it mean? Well, for the long term, this is not a bullish market. It's just that simple. We are not bullish into the market in Kadena in one sense of the word. We understand that the overall momentum is to the downside. Now, just because we're seeing price go down doesn't mean that in the next year, 2 years, 5 years, 10 years, that price won't go back up. It just simply means that we're not in a trend of higher prices. So if you're looking for the market in Kadena to go up in a very short term, don't expect that. We're not looking for that. If anything, the next best option that we can have into the market in Kadena is for us to do this. It's just for the market to continue to trade sideways, right? It might even dip down a little bit lower, but for the most part, just continue to look for the market in Kadena to trade like that until we find another trend, another bullish market here in the space. Until that time, don't play this if you're looking for the market to go up in Kadena. All right, so many people on YouTube has been creating videos trying to pump the market in Kadena when all we've seen is just downward pressure. That was it. It's the only thing that we've been getting into the market in Kadena. Okay, so under any pretense of the word, on any pretense that we do see strength coming to the market in Kadena, expect that price is not going to go that far up. Okay, I want to set expectations. This downtrend line is what's controlling the market right now. This is where the sellers, okay, this is where the sellers are here controlling this coin's price. They control this price. And until buyers take out this downtrend line, don't expect price to go up. Now, buyers may have enough momentum to bring it up to this descending line, but overall, that's probably how far it's going to go. There's a lot of weight being pressured down in the market in Kadena, along with a lot of other cryptocurrencies. I get it. I understand. Is that because of what's going on with Terra Luna and the USD stablecoin? UST stablecoin? I mean, for real. So let's talk. We need to focus our area on where can we find buyers. So my attention is going to be focusing right here in Kadena. Okay, we need to see, are there any levels of support here in this space for Kadena? So you guys can tell that we're already pretty much seeing the market in Kadena coming towards these restriction areas. So let me go ahead and get rid of this circle. So right here, this is where the initial stage of the market in Kadena is going to try to come in and find support. But I see a better area that we can see market grab support. And it's right around here, around $2, right? $2 is first. My second level outside of $2 is 175. And then my ultimate third area is going to be down here around 150. Okay, so we got $2, 175, and $1.50. Those are the three price targets that I'm looking for the market in Kadena to go towards. Like, this is not a buyer's market. We still have some weakness here on the chart for Kadena. Okay. This is Kadena on the 3-day time frame, and it's just been a complete washout. Like, we haven't seen any indications of bulls or buyers coming into the market since this 3-day price bar, right? Since the 1st of April. And here it is, May the 11th, and price is on a massive decline. So is it about time for us to see a spurt, some liveliness to come back into the market in Kadena? I wouldn't be surprised to see that, because the market has been in a sustained downtrend for a long time. Kadena on the 5-day. Okay. So I think you all can see how the market here in Kadena is not hinting that it wants to go up. And when it doesn't show us that, we understand how to play. Okay. So let me go ahead and put on this price per day, because I'm still looking for the market in Kadena to go down. So I said that first price target is going to be around $2 is that first price target. That would give us around 11.5% movement to the downside. Okay. It's at $2. The second one's at 175, which would give us what, 22% movement to the downside. And then that third area is around 150, which is 33.61%. Okay. So now I'm going to continue to play the weakness into the market in Kadena until I see price break above $3.50. If I see that, if I see price in Kadena come up here and take that 350 out, then yeah, I'll have to cut this prediction and play the move to the upside. If that doesn't happen, then I understand that the overall movement of us trending down is still in play. Like, I can see eventually, hopefully, price in Kadena, trying to break out, come up here to this descending line and come back down. I can see that happening. So I don't want you all to think that I'm oblivious to not think that the price in Kadena can go up, because if it does, we break 350 to the upside, then that's when I'll go long and go ahead and play the movement to the upside to this descending line, or probably around that $4.40 price. That would be my first price target played on the long side. But as of right now, market is definitely telling us that Kadena is weak still. Okay. Still looking at that weakness. So let's go ahead and see what happens. I've shown you what I think the market is about to do. Now it's your turn. The comment section is now open in the space. Let me know how low we're going to go. I've given you all 3 price targets. They're not that big of a movement to the downside, because eventually the market will have to stop falling. There's infinite possibilities to see the market go up, but you have a very finite position to go down, right? So I want you all to tell me, what do you think the price in Kadena is about to go? Make sure you maintain profitability, and as always, trade different.